No producer, no show. Abhimanyu Singh sir, very very good evening to you. क्या आपने इस स्टैचर का रिस्पॉन्स एक्सपेक्ट किया था या फिर यू वेरी रियलिस्टिक अच्छा होगा देखा जाएगा.
Um, Firstly, I'd like to attribute the success to the team. This wouldn't have been possible without a bunch of great storytellers coming together. Um, you know, uh, lots of them are not here, and they deserve all the credit for the success. I, as a producer, my job was to get a good team together, and I think I made my best effort to do that. And I thank Z5 because, um, it was a show that was being made for a long time without actually anyone believing in it. And thanks to Z5 that they believed in it. And had they not believed in it, we wouldn't have seen the show. So thank you, team, and thank you, Z5. Yeah.
Gratitude is the right attitude. Can we please put our hands up together again for Abhimanyu Singh? And while you stay on stage, can we please call back Nimisha Pandey ma'am and Manish Kalra sir on stage, because there's something very special they sort of need to share with us. Individually, तो हमने आपसे सवाल पूछ लिए about what's the response been, have there been sleepless nights, it's celebration. Of course, there's celebration and success, but there's something that Manish sir, I've seen behind your smile, you've been hiding, and we need to now. Please, spill the beans. What exactly?
Acha, ma'am, before that, I'll give one more stat.
Jeez.
If this would have been a movie which would have gone to theaters and sold a ticket at $100, it would have been like better than a lot of movies which have released recently, high double digit of crores.
How much?
Talking about stats.
Yeah, so it's kind of rock dead. So that is why the announcement that you've been seeking is that we are launching the next season of Taj.
Can we already just put our hands up for the season 2? And before we sort of take a sneak peek of the season 2.
Nimisha, you want to show the trailer to all of us?
Yeah,
all the good work you've done
this
with.
Is like, in a record-breaking time.
Yeah.
A huge round of applause. Lots of hoots. Very, very good evening to you. How are you today?
Very good. You want to do it? I'm very good. Thank you very much.
Pleasure is absolutely mine. Audience की expectations आपके जिम में आजकल weights की तरह शायद काम कर रही हैं, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा expectations हैं इन कंधों पर, specifically with season 2, and it's just going to, I don't know, how you're dealing with it. Are you pinching yourself? What is the process and journey been so far?
I have been pinching myself. I'm not going to lie. Before I say anything, I would really like to thank my producers. He's sitting right here, Abhimanyu, who's dealt with me in many ways than one. Nimisha, Deepak sir, my directors, Vibhu sir, Ron, who's not here. But yeah, to answer your question, it's been quite a journey. The response has been overwhelming, so that's fantastic. I'm very happy about one thing, I have to say. You know, I've been here for like a while now, and I just feel like for the longest time, I've only been spoken about in regards to just looking a certain way. Ki good looking hai, abs hain, kabhi nahi hai. Aditi says, jhooti hai ye. But this time, I'm just really happy that people have got to see my performance and have really appreciated it, and I'm very grateful for that. And I feel like what's to come is even better, stronger. And yes, I believe as a team and as Salim, we're all very happy and more than prepared and very excited. So, very grateful.
Thank you so much. That was Asham Gulati. Can we please make some more noise for the man? Bearing it all, honestly, and with the kind of hard work that you put in, just with the character as well, I genuinely want to send in more love and more appreciation, and it's just going to double by the next time we're here on the same platform, celebrating again for Taj season 2. But for now, thank you so much.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
We're going to give our technical errors a little rest and can we please cross our fingers? All of us? Beautiful. That's. I like the sneaker scene that's going on. I'm so happy and glad. Extremely sweaty. I wouldn't say the other word because that's just going to be wrong and inappropriate right here. But can we get a mic for Aditi? Thank you. It's just been phenomenal to see you in the first season. आपने कई बार ये कहा है कि, you know, something that I got, I put in my effort, ये मेरा contribution है, very humble, very. Do you really like take a moment and pat yourself on your back? कि भाई मैंने बढ़िया काम किया है, लड़की तू कमाल है मतलब मिरर में देखकर, हाँ?
No, I wait to hear it from you and everybody else. I always, I find it very difficult to talk about myself. I even find it difficult to watch myself. But I'm so grateful when I get so much love and appreciation. And it's almost like maybe I don't pat myself enough, but you all really pat me and make me feel so encouraged and so loved. And it really fuels me to do better and to keep going and to keep making you all happy. That really is something I work for that. I work for that love, and I really am grateful for it. And today I have to say that I'm here to cheer season 1 and be very grateful for everything that all of us have got for season 1, and to stand a little apart and cheer for season 2, and to wish the entire team all the best for season 2. And thank you for all those lovely, lovely words. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much.
Before you leave, I also want to ask.
I'm like running away.
No, go, don't go. More, since the time you're here now on the stage, हम सारा मतलब फायदा उठाने वाले हैं. Attachment अपने character के साथ में, specifically a character like Anarkali, किस प्रकार की attachment रही और मुश्किल था छुड़ाना या अभी भी अपने पास ही है?
I'm just really happy, and I feel very blessed that I got to play Anarkali. Also for the girl that she is. She's so courageous and she stands by her love, and I think it's so beautiful to see a love like that today. I also feel like, you know, through the time that I was doing promotions and everybody kept reminding me about the iconic Madhubalaji, and I was just like, I literally sent up a prayer. And I think there is some blessing from her that this Anarkali has been accepted and loved. And there has been so much love that has been given my way, that has come my way. So I'm convinced there are some blessings from her. And that's all I'll say about
Happy
it.
days is all. And thank you so much for giving us the
Thank
entertainment
you.
that you continuously
you.
sort of give.
Thank
Thank you.
you
बोले
so
बड़ा
much.
shy हो रहा है अभी, please जाने दो मुझे.
Yeah.
Let me just go now, please. Thank you so much. Can we please
Thank
put our hands
you.
up together again?
Thank you
For
so
Aditi
much.
Rao
Thank
Hydari.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. अब ये जो जिन्हें मैं अगला बुलाना चाहती हूँ on stage is from a family of doctors and engineers, but he managed to dream beyond this, and फिर उन्होंने HR, construction. One more clap is a huge deal because there's jacket, there's commitment to fashion, and there's humid weather. Guys, you must clap. It's important.
Thanks.
I have one specific question. आपका जो जितने सारे action scenes रहे हैं, they've been fantastic. Have you ever sort of gone back to a couple of other heroes, actors, iconic scenes in order to figure out, अच्छा ठीक, you know what, I'm going to take this from here, get inspired like that. What was your homework like for Murad?
I don't think there was any scope of stealing anything.
Not Steve, yeah.
But like Daniel, our action choreographer who came down from Los Angeles, he was just phenomenal. And he knew exactly what Ron wanted.
Yep.
And he brought that to life. It was just my duty to follow his instructions and just put in my heart in it. And so that's about it. You know.
What's the most fantastic compliment that you've received as this character?
That too.
We would want to know that story. You can't just.
He'll come on stage right now for some time. Tell me the
Great,
story.
yes. Yeah, absolutely.
But I feel that I think the best compliment for this character would be that I love to hate you. You know.
That's true.
So
I love to hate you, Murad.
Yeah, thanks.
Taha, that is. Can we please put our hands up together for Taha again? it has really been great to see you on the screen and just like be in sort of awe. बढ़िया है ये लड़का बहुत गंदा है लेकिन अच्छा है. Super
Exactly
stuff.
right. Thank
All
you so
right,
much.
thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. And I would just like to say, Manish, Abhimanyu, Rupali, Namisha, Raghav, everybody, Vibhu, Ron, everybody who's here, Ashim, Aditi, thank you very much. It was fantastic to be a part of season 1. I really hope that we get to work again together and create some other magic. Ashim, you look freaking amazing, bro, in season 2. All right? So I'm desperately waiting for it, and I wish you all the best. And Aditi, thank you so much. Namisha, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.
Thank you. Thank you. I love this. So much love. It's amazing. Is this the 14th of Feb or what? Listen, can we please call upon the captain of the ship, ठीक है? It is not... विभू थोड़ी देर पहले आप बता रहे थे और मैं भी चीटिंग करने वाली हूँ और आपने कहा कि कितना मुश्किल रहा और कितना चैलेंजिंग था in order to sort of shoot on certain days. Would you like to just give us a sneak peek of how beautiful and how challenging at the same time it was?
Ashim. Ashim hates me now. I know it. All the actors do. It's okay. But yeah, difficult. It was very difficult for two things. One, because whenever you're shooting period, there's so many things that you need to take care of. They're more grueling. Wars, action, all of that. But also because the first season had set a bar, which we are all trying to cross together. So the aim was to reach out for the stars, which we've, to the best of our capabilities, हम लोगों ने सबने try करा है. And we're very, very, very happy about how it's shaped. Thank you, Manu, for trusting me. Thank you, Nimisha. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ashim, Aditi, Taha. Taha के साथ तो ज़्यादा shoot नहीं करा मैंने, but still, Aditi के साथ भी नहीं किया, but still. Thank you everyone for being a stellar cast. Nasir Saab, been such a learning experience. It was like, I'm going back to the institute again. It's so brilliant. All the actors have made it so easy for me that what you just saw was literally a cakewalk. Thanks to the whole team, my DPs, Tejal and Kiran, my assistants, Shivam, and the entire gang, my art team, my costume team, production team. They are the ones, the unsung heroes, the light boys, the art boys who work 18 hours a day to bring this vision out. I think a huge round of applause for all of them. We all get our chance to own the sky, they don't. And this show actually belongs to all of them more than us.
Any one thing that you'd like to tell the audience that they're going to expect and it's just going to blow their mind? Any one thing, without giving us the premise of the whole situation, of course. Tip of the iceberg, अगर आप बताना चाहेंगे
I think the whole war between, the clash of generations between the father and the son is incredible. And it's something which has been filmed and spoken about over and over again in so many different genres, but we've tried to give it a new twist. And we've got two lovely actors pitted against each other, Nasir Saab and Ashim. And lovely romance. Don't forget her. I don't see her here. I don't know why she's not around. But she is the trump card of the show. Wait and watch. Woman power.
Thank you so much. Can we please put our hands up together for
Thank you everyone.
for the captain of the ship, the man, Vibhu Puri. More noise, more hoots, more fun.
My love for you is double now.
I'm just waiting. I'm going to come back. Yeah. Manish sir, Nimisha ma'am, can we also have Abhimanyu sing on stage? Can Shubham also join? Shubham, really right on time. We're just cutting the cake. Rupali ma'am as well.